Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of creative problem solving. Whether you're facing challenges at work, in your studies, or in daily life, creative problem solving techniques can help you find unique and effective solutions. In this video, we'll explore a variety of methods designed to spark your imagination and guide you through obstacles. By the end, you'll have a toolkit of strategies to tackle problems from fresh perspectives. Let's get started on this journey to unlock your creative potential and transform the way you approach challenges. Creative problem solving is more than just finding answers. It's about approaching problems in new, inventive ways. Instead of sticking to traditional methods, creative problem solvers look for alternative paths and unexpected solutions. This mindset encourages flexibility, curiosity, and a willingness to experiment. By embracing creativity, you can break free from routine thinking and discover opportunities hidden within challenges. In the next scenes, we'll look at specific techniques that make creative problem solving possible. Creative mindset is the foundation of effective problem solving. It's about being open to new ideas, staying curious, and not being afraid to make mistakes. When you approach problems with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn, you're more likely to find innovative solutions. Remember, creativity thrives in environments where people feel safe to share and experiment. Let's see how you can nurture this mindset in your daily life. First step in creative problem solving is to define the problem as clearly as possible. Take time to understand what's really at stake. Ask yourself questions like, what is the real issue? Who is affected? What are the constraints? By clarifying the problem, you set the stage for finding the most effective and creative solutions. This step prevents you from wasting time on irrelevant details and helps you focus your energy where it matters most. Big problems can feel overwhelming. One effective technique is to break the problem down into smaller, more manageable parts. By analyzing each component separately, you can tackle each piece step by step. This approach not only makes the problem less intimidating but also reveals hidden connections and opportunities for creative solutions. Let's look at how this works in practice. 5 Whys technique is a simple yet powerful way to get to the root of a problem. By asking why multiple times, you dig deeper into the underlying causes. This method helps you move beyond surface-level symptoms and uncover the real issues that need to be addressed. It's a great way to challenge assumptions and open up new avenues for creative thinking. Brainstorming is one of the most popular creative problem-solving techniques. It involves generating as many ideas as possible without judging or filtering them. The goal is to encourage free thinking and let your imagination run wild. Later, you can evaluate and refine the ideas. Brainstorming works best in groups, but you can also do it alone. Remember, the more ideas you generate, the greater your chances of finding a truly creative solution. Mind mapping is a visual technique that helps you organize your thoughts and see connections between ideas. Start with your main problem in the center, then branch out with related ideas, solutions, or questions. This method makes it easier to spot patterns, group similar concepts, and discover new angles. Mind maps are especially helpful for complex problems with many moving parts. Scamper is a creative thinking tool that stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. By applying these prompts to your problem, you can generate new ideas and solutions. For example, what if you combine two existing solutions? Or what if you eliminate a step? Scamper encourages you to look at problems from different angles and challenge the status quo. Reverse thinking is about flipping the problem on its head. Instead of asking how to solve a problem, ask how you could make it worse. This unusual approach can reveal hidden assumptions and spark creative solutions you might not have considered. By exploring the opposite, you often discover new paths to improvement. Role storming is a twist on traditional brainstorming. Instead of thinking as yourself, you take on the role of someone else, maybe a famous inventor, a customer, or even a competitor. By stepping into another's shoes, you can see the problem from a fresh perspective and generate ideas you might not have thought of otherwise. 6 Thinking Hats technique, developed by Edward de Bono, encourages you to look at a problem from 6 different perspectives: facts, emotions, negatives, positives, creativity, and control. By systematically switching hats, you ensure a balanced approach and avoid getting stuck in one way of thinking. This method is especially useful for group discussions and decision-making. Using analogies and metaphors helps you understand problems by relating them to something familiar. For example, you might compare a business challenge to a game of chess or a journey. This approach can simplify complex issues and inspire creative solutions by making abstract problems more concrete and relatable. The random word technique involves picking a random word and forcing yourself to connect it to your problem. This unexpected association can spark new ideas and break mental blocks. For example, if your word is bridge, how could that relate to your challenge? This playful method encourages out-of-the-box thinking. Lateral thinking is about moving sideways instead of following a straight path. It involves looking for indirect or unconventional solutions rather than obvious ones. This technique encourages you to challenge assumptions and explore alternatives you might not have considered. Lateral thinking is a powerful way to unlock creativity and solve problems that seem unsolvable. Asking the right questions is key to creative problem solving. Instead of asking closed questions with yes or no answers, try open-ended questions that encourage exploration. For example, what if we tried a different approach? Or how might we solve this with fewer resources? The quality of your questions often determines the quality of your solutions. Many problems persist because of unexamined assumptions. Take time to identify and question the assumptions you're making about the problem. Are they really true? What if they were? Challenging assumptions can open up new possibilities and lead to breakthrough solutions. Sometimes the way you define a problem limits your solutions. Reframing means looking at the problem from a different angle. For example, instead of asking, "How do we fix this product?" you might ask, "How can we better meet customer needs?" Reframing helps you see new opportunities and avoid getting stuck in a narrow mindset. Sometimes, the best ideas come when you're not actively thinking about the problem. Taking a break or stepping away allows your subconscious mind to work in the background. This incubation period can lead to sudden insights or aha moments. Don't be afraid to give yourself time and space to let ideas develop naturally. Working with others can greatly enhance creative problem solving. Different people bring diverse perspectives, experiences, and skills. By collaborating, you can combine strengths, challenge each other's ideas, and build on suggestions. Teamwork often leads to more robust and innovative solutions than working alone. Creative problem solving involves both divergent and convergent thinking. Divergent thinking is about generating many different ideas, while convergent thinking is about narrowing them down to the best options. Balancing these two modes ensures you explore a wide range of possibilities before making decisions. Once you have ideas, it's important to test them out. Prototyping means creating simple models or experiments to see how your solutions work in practice. This hands-on approach allows you to learn quickly, make adjustments, and improve your ideas before fully committing to them. Failure is a natural part of the creative process. Instead of seeing it as a setback, view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Each failure provides valuable feedback that can guide you toward better solutions. Embracing failure with a positive attitude helps you stay resilient and persistent. Constraints, such as limited time or resources, can actually boost creativity. When you have to work within boundaries, you're forced to think differently and find innovative solutions. Embrace constraints as challenges that push you to be more resourceful and inventive. Storyboarding is a visual technique often used in creative fields. It involves sketching out the steps of your solution as a series of images or scenes. This helps you visualize the process, identify potential problems, and communicate your ideas more clearly to others. Careful observation can reveal details and patterns that others might miss. Spend time watching how things work, how people behave, or how processes unfold. Observing closely can inspire new ideas and help you understand the problem from different angles. Technology offers a wide range of tools for creative problem solving. From brainstorming apps to data analysis software, technology can help you organize ideas, collaborate with others, and test solutions. Don't hesitate to leverage digital resources to enhance your creative process. Sometimes, the best ideas come from outside your own area of expertise. Look for inspiration in different industries, cultures, or disciplines. Adapting solutions from other fields can lead to breakthroughs and help you see your problem in a new light. Great ideas can strike at any time. Keeping an idea journal helps you capture thoughts, sketches, and inspirations as they come. Reviewing your journal regularly can spark new connections and remind you of ideas you might have forgotten. Just like any skill, creativity improves with practice. Try regular creative exercises such as drawing, writing, or solving puzzles. These activities keep your mind flexible and ready to tackle problems in innovative ways. Understanding your own emotions and those of others can enhance creative problem solving. Emotional intelligence helps you manage stress, communicate effectively, and build positive relationships, all of which contribute to a more creative and productive problem-solving process. Visualization is a powerful tool for creative problem solving. Imagine the problem and possible solutions in your mind's eye. This mental rehearsal can help you anticipate challenges, refine your ideas, and boost your confidence in taking action. Feedback from others is invaluable in the creative process. Be open to suggestions and critiques and use them to refine your ideas. Constructive feedback helps you see blind spots and improve your solutions before implementation. Curiosity fuels creativity. Make a habit of learning new things, exploring different topics, and asking questions. The more knowledge and experiences you have, the more resources you can draw upon when solving problems creatively. Recognizing and celebrating progress, no matter how small, keeps you motivated and engaged in the creative process. Each step forward builds momentum and confidence, making it easier to tackle bigger challenges ahead. Creative problem solving often requires persistence. Don't give up when you hit roadblocks. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting your approach. Persistence is what turns creative ideas into real-world solutions. Once you've chosen a solution, put it into action. Afterward, take time to reflect on what worked, what didn't, and what you learned. This reflection helps you improve your creative problem-solving skills for future challenges. Sharing your creative solutions with others can inspire new ideas and help you get valuable feedback. Collaboration and open communication are key to spreading innovation and building a culture of creative problem solving. Your environment can have a big impact on creativity. Surround yourself with inspiring people, resources, and spaces that encourage experimentation and open-mindedness. A supportive environment makes it easier to take risks and think outside the box. Diversity of thought brings a wider range of ideas and perspectives to the table. Encourage input from people with different backgrounds, experiences, and viewpoints. This diversity leads to richer discussions and more creative solutions. Flexibility is essential for creative problem solving. Be willing to change your approach if something isn't working. Adaptability allows you to respond to new information and unexpected challenges with creativity and confidence. Gratitude can boost your mood and open your mind to new possibilities. By appreciating what you have and the progress you've made, you create a positive mindset that supports creative thinking and problem solving. Creative problem solving is a lifelong journey. Continue to develop your skills by learning new techniques, seeking feedback, and staying curious. The more you practice, the more naturally creative solutions will come to you. Let's recap the creative problem-solving techniques we've explored. Defining the problem, brainstorming, mind mapping, scamper, reverse thinking, role storming, 6 thinking hats, analogies, lateral thinking, prototyping, and more. Each technique offers a unique way to approach challenges and find innovative solutions. Try different methods and see what works best for you. Creative problem-solving is a powerful skill that can transform your personal and professional life. By practicing these techniques and maintaining a creative mindset, you'll be better equipped to tackle any challenge. Remember, creativity is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Keep exploring, experimenting, and growing on your creative journey.